How to increase Wi-Fi speed on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your settings. Then go to connections. Tap on your Wi-Fi. Now go to its settings. Now as you can see, my current network speed is 72 Mbps. Now in order to increase it, tap on View More. Then, in this IP settings, select static. Now, in this DNS2, first remove it if you have something there. And then, paste this number 114.114.114.114 and now save it. This should increase your Wi-Fi speed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.